What's up everyone, hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to give you 10 cinematic LUTs that you can use in your videos and make your videos looks stunning. These LUTs are in format of dot cube. It means you can use it in every video editing software, even in a mobile video editor. These LUTs are completely free. You can get the download link in the description below. Must check it out. Once you download these LUTs, it just look like this. These are in format of dot cube, so it is compatible with every video editing software. So now let's see how we can use these LUTs in Adobe Premiere Pro. All we have to do is to copy all of these LUTs. Right click on your Premiere Pro and go to Open File Location. And here we have our Adobe Premiere Pro file location, or you can come directly here by just simply go to C drive, program files, and here we have Adobe files. And now we need to go to Lumetri, go to LUTs, and here we have creative. So here we are right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. These LUTs are working with every version, even CS6 version, so don't worry about it. So all we have to do is simply go to Windows, and here we have Lumetri Color. And now in a creative, we have all the LUTs that we are imported right here. So the best way to use the LUTs in Adobe Premiere Pro is through adjustment layer, because if you want to make some changing later, you can easily change it through adjustment layer. So simply right click in your project panel, go to new item and create an adjustment layer. Just select your adjustment layer, go to Lumetri Creative and select any LUTs that you want, and there you go. As you can see, here is the before and here is the after. You can make some basic changes to make it more better. Keep in mind, every LUT is not compatible with every clip. You just need to make some little bit changes to make it compatible with your clip. So now let's try out some other LUTs. So here is the before and here is the after. You can make some basic changes to make it more better. These LUTs are completely free. You can get the download link in the description below. Must check it out. So here we are right inside of Wondershare Filmora. Filmora is one of the best video editing software for you if you are a beginner or you just start up your video editing career. Filmora give you some really good feature that actually save your time. They are giving stock media, so you don't need to go to website to download some stock medias. You can get the audio inside of Filmora. You can get some pre-made titles, transitions, effects, and stickers. You also have some really good templates, so you can check it out Filmora for free. Download link in the description below. So the first thing we need to do is to create an adjustment layer as we done in Adobe Premiere Pro. So for that, simply go to media and here we have adjustment layer. Keep in mind, adjustment layer option is only available in a new version of Filmora 12. So you can check it out, link in the description below. So you just drag and drop into your timeline like that. Just double click on your adjustment layer, go to color, and here we have preset, and go with the load preset. Select all the preset that you have and hit open. It automatically appear in your preset panel, and here we have all the 10 LUTs, so you can apply any one that you want. So I just want to apply this first one, and here we have same result in Wondershare Filmora. Here we have some basic settings. You can change anything that you like. You can change the color, temperature, and contrast, anything that you like. So let me try some other LUTs. So I'm just go with this one. So here is the before and here is the after. So all around, Wondershare Filmora give you best benefit to save your a lot of time. You can check it out Filmora, link in the description below, and you can try out Filmora for free. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and comment down below if you want any new pack, any LUTs or transition pack. Please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.